Scott doing at MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. And we're going to take a look at a brand new 2024 year model MasterCraft NXT22. So, wraparound seating back in the back, companion seat. New for this year, larger tower cans, which is nice. The standard clamping board racks remain the same from last year, but all new dash, so done really, really well. Gone are the toggle switches, new push button switching. Biggest upgrade of them all, of course, is the new touch screen over here on the side that's gonna have SurfStar integrated into it. So really, really nice upgrade over the NXTs of past. Also, new wireless cell phone charging pad over here next to the driver's side knee. So being a pickle fork front, it is going to have a little bit more room up front without getting really, really wide and really goofy looking. So even though it's pickle fork, still a really, really good looking boat, and fantastic storage on this boat. So storage underneath your front seat. This is pass through all the way to here, and then that is also passed through all the way back to here. So fantastic storage on board, as well as the surf sleeves up top. So if you've got any questions about this or any other boat you see online, by all means, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.